Once upon a time, in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, there existed a peculiar plant known as the golden shield. This plant, scientifically named Solanum ochranthum, has leaves that shimmer like gold under sunlight. But here's the kicker. These leaves are not just for show. They have a unique ability to repel insects, thanks to a natural compound that mimics the scent of a predator. This means the plant can protect itself without any help. Imagine a plant with its own built-in security system. Isn't nature fascinating? Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.